What if I told you that your entire life could start changing with habits that take less than 5 minutes a day? Not motivation, not luck, not some hustle 24/7 lifestyle, just small daily actions. Because the truth is, most people destroy their future slowly without realizing it. Bad sleep, too much scrolling, no discipline, no focus. And over time, those tiny mistakes become a bad life. But the opposite is also true. Tiny positive habits, repeated daily, can completely transform your confidence, mindset, health, discipline, and success. So here are 20 small habits that can genuinely change your life faster than you think. And trust me, some of these are going to hit hard. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. You don't need to wake up at 4 a.m. to become successful. Just wake up 30 minutes earlier than usual. That quiet time before the world gets noisy can completely change your mindset. More peace, more control, less chaos. Read 10 pages a day. Most people spend hours scrolling and learn absolutely nothing. But reading just 10 pages daily can completely upgrade the way you think. One good book can save you years of mistakes. Plan your day before sleeping. Successful people don't wake up confused. Before sleeping, write down what you need to do tomorrow. Your brain feels calmer when there's a clear plan, and you waste less time the next day. Learn to say no. Every time you say yes to useless things, you say no to your own goals. Protect your energy, protect your time, because distracted people rarely build great lives. Drink water right after waking up. Before coffee, before social media, drink water first. Your body wakes up dehydrated, and this tiny habit improves energy, focus, digestion, even your skin. Stop using your phone before sleep. Scrolling at night destroys your sleep quality, and bad sleep destroys everything else. Your mood, your focus, your energy, your discipline. Avoid screens at least 30 minutes before bed. Your brain will thank you. 7. Use the 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately, because small unfinished tasks slowly turn into mental pressure, and mentally exhausted people become lazy without realizing it. Stretch every hour. Your body was never designed to sit all day. Stand up, stretch your back, move your shoulders. Even 2 minutes of movement can refresh your entire mind. Write one sentence of gratitude. Your brain naturally focuses on problems. That's why grateful people usually feel happier and calmer. Every day, write one thing you're thankful for. Simple habit, powerful mental effect. Limit sugar. Too much sugar destroys your energy slowly. It affects your skin, your focus, your mood, even your motivation. You don't need to quit everything. Just stop consuming it mindlessly every day. Meditate for 5 minutes daily. Your brain is overstimulated 24/7. Notifications, stress, noise, overthinking. Just 5 minutes of silence daily can massively improve mental clarity and emotional control. 12. Compliment one person daily. A genuine compliment costs nothing, but it makes people remember you. It improves your social confidence and, surprisingly, improves your own mood too. 13. Make your bed. Sounds simple, but completing one small task in the morning creates momentum. Discipline starts with small wins, not giant motivational speeches. 14. Track your expenses. Most people don't know where their money goes, and that's exactly why they stay financially stressed. Tracking expenses creates awareness, and awareness changes behavior. 15. Stand up every hour. Sitting too long drains your body and mind. Move regularly, because movement increases energy more than most people realize. 16. Write your biggest goal daily. If you stop reminding yourself of your goals, you slowly stop chasing them. Write your biggest goal every single day. Train your brain to stay focused on what actually matters. 17. Limit news consumption. Too much negativity damages your mental peace. Being informed is good, but constantly consuming bad news creates stress you don't even need. 18. Learn one new word daily. Small habit, massive long-term effect. Better vocabulary improves communication, confidence, and intelligence. 19. Take deep breaths when overwhelmed. Most people react emotionally when stressed. Instead, pause. Take slow, deep breaths, because controlling your breathing helps control your mind. 20. Celebrate small progress. Don't wait until you become successful to feel proud of yourself. Every small improvement matters, because real transformation happens slowly. At the end of the day, your life is basically a reflection of your daily habits. Not motivation, not luck, not talent. Just repeated actions. So choose a few habits from this video and follow them consistently for the next 30 days, because 1 year from now, you'll either wish you started today or be grateful that you did. See you in the next video.